Mackenzie over at A&A Center. Let me walk around our 7x12 Nationcraft trailer. Trailer equipped with a 7-way plug.
Which is weird, yeah, for that single axle. So this is weird.
Yeah, you pick up brakes. You got the emergency breakaway system, breakaway cable, 2 5/16 coupler, 030 panels, the thick stuff. It features our Blackout package, Blackout trim,
This looks sharp.
Euro style LED lights.
Clear lens, so in case the lens cracks for some reason, you don't get that white light bleeding through. You actually have a colored LED diode that's actually in that LED.
We got a side door with a loading light.
Oh, that's very nice.
3,500 pound axle, radial tires, screwless exterior, side floor vents, rear loading lights with reverse lights.
Very nice.
Easy lube hinges.
Let's take them inside and just show them a little bit on the interior. Say, this trailer can be seen online at aacenter.net. This video was filmed November 4th of 2022, but our inventory kind of varies day to day, you know, as we are in the trailer business to sell them, not collect them. But we wanted to give y'all a little bit of a walk around and see what it's like, in case it's not handy for you to stop by and see in the trailer, walk around. 16-inch on center floors, 16-inch on center walls, and 6'3" interior height? 6'3" interior height. One-piece aluminum roof also. That's something that you don't see standard across many manufacturers. They're still doing the seamed roof, galvalume roof, and this is a one-piece aluminum roof, which is really nice. You don't ever have to worry about that sealing on all the joints failing and stuff. If you have any questions, give us a call, 770-603-8511. And again, find us online, aacenter.net, here on Terre Boulevard in Jonesboro, Georgia.